Hello, everybody.
Hello, everyone, and happy Gluten-Free Friday.
It is another Friday, and we are still gluten-free.
and we're still making something for
And
you.
we're still making more food. We just keep eating. Sammy wants to eat too.
Sammy's hungry.
Sammy's ready for a little midnight snack, even though it is 2 p.m. So yeah, Christina, what are we making today?
We're making, okay, I don't know the exact name of it, but it's gonna be like crispy chickpeas with Parmesan on top and some ranch seasoning. It's like, it gets all crispy, you can like break them apart, and it's like a crispy little snack.
Yeah, I've been loving those little Parmesan cheese bites.
Oh yeah.
Those are so good. They're a great gluten-free snack. They're high in protein. They're just a little salty. They're delicious. So this is kind of like that, but adding a bit more protein.
Yeah.
Which I love that, a little plant protein as well. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get started.
There's a few different layers to this. So first, we're gonna put 1 whole can of chickpea onto your baking sheet. We already have the oven we already have the oven preheated to 375. Okay. So now we're gonna do the one can of chickpea.
Am I crazy for calling them garbanzo beans?
No, I mean, I guess you could call them that.
I grew up calling them garbanzo beans.
Really?
Yeah.
I grew up calling them chickpeas. Then you get a pat them dry.
Recently someone was like, what are you talking about? I was like a garbanzo bean. And they're like, what type of bean is that? I'm like a chickpea.
Well, in some stores, they label their chickpeas.
But aren't they also pinto beans?
No.
That's different?
That's different. That's a different.
Oh. We had a fearless flyer.
She said, No, pinto beans are different.
They're different.
Garbanzo beans and chickpeas are the same though.
People in the chat, tell us what you think. Are chickpeas and
I think at Trader
pinto
Joe's
beans,
they're labeled as garbanzo.
They're labeled as garbanzo.
That's what I thought.
But who's a pinto then? I thought these were pinto beans.
We can look
too.
it up after, but
Are they the same or are they different? Is that dry enough?
I think that's dry enough.
Okay.
We'll
Sweet.
Pause for a second. So
okay.
Come in. You can come in. I heard her open the door.
I think she no. That was the fridge.
Oh, okay. Just start patting the dragon. Okay. I think that's good. I think it's good. So now we've got 1 teaspoon of oil. Drizzle it all over the little chickpeas.
Okay. You smell good. What's that perfume?
I have no idea.
That smells
it's
really
nice.
It's
you can still smell it?
Yeah, I can.
From this morning. I thought I put too much on today because, like, you know when you can smell your own perfume? I guess, like, that's the point. Is you're supposed to, like, you want to smell it, but, like, to me, like, when I can smell it too much, I'm like, that's how I know I put too much on. Anyway, I'm tossing it in the oil.
Yeah.
But I don't know. It's just, I got it as a sample.
My stepdad, he does the whole I'm
really?
Like, oh, you can smell it from a mile away.
I can only do like 2 sprays. That's like max. Today I did 3. That's
I'll usually do like 1 in my hair, 1 on my neck or like on my shirt, and then 1 on my wrists. I do 3.
Okay. That's valid. I think this the one I had on today is just like very strong. I don't know. It's a sample.
It smells good though. It's working.
Thank you.
Okay, so how long do we pop these in the oven for?
We're gonna put them in for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna take them back out and put the rest of the stuff on.
And then pop them back in the oven?
And pop them back in the oven.
Okay, so right now we're getting them crispy.
We're getting them crispy.
Okay.
And then the cheese will melt on top after, and it'll be yummy delicious.
Oh
and
my gosh.
they're ready.
They're ready.
Well, the first step is ready.
All right. Yay! It looks cute.
First step is done. They do look like little popcorn kernels.
They do.
So next step in the routine, in the recipe, is gonna be this is like probably a little bit more than a tablespoon of ranch seasoning, but do as much as your heart desires or as little as your heart desires. We're gonna
and make sure it's gluten-free.
And make sure it's gluten-free, because some of them are, and then you'll go back and get it again, and suddenly there's gluten in it. So you got to keep checking.
Always check. Always check.
So anyway, I'm gonna sprinkle it on top.
Cute. And if you wanted to make your own homemade ranch seasoning, buttermilk powder, onion powder, garlic powder,
Oh, it smells really good.
dried chive, dried parsley. I think there's a little bit more, but you can look up a little recipe online. But yeah, that looks
It's pretty easy to make. Or you can literally do any seasoning you want.
Yeah.
Even like just a little black pepper and salt will be kind of delicious. Like cacio e pepe.
Yeah, you could do that too.
I'm trying to get them evenly.
Cacio e pepe chickpeas.
Crispy chicken.
Cute.
I'm trying to get them like evenly coated and get all the seasonings.
They do look pretty evenly coated.
Some seasoning on the what side? Okay.
So now this cheese.
Now you're gonna scooch them together in an even layer.
Okay.
So that you can put the cheesy on top and it'll get all of it.
Yeah. We're using Parmesan.
I guess
Shredded fresh Parmesan. You can also shred your own.
Yeah, I was not about to do that, guys. Sorry. Wait. I have to scooch them better.
Sorry. I got excited.
I need to get them scooched good.
They're scooched.
There's still gaps. And wait, hold on. Are they flat?
The cheese will melt it together. It'll glue.
I know, but I need to make it perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going. So do I just sprinkle it all over?
Yeah. I didn't measure the cheese, so you can just
cover your chickpeas?
Like completely cover the chickpeas, basically.
Should we add more cheese?
I think that should be enough if we put it. Just cover all the chickpea. Unless you want more.
I mean, I love cheese.
We could put more. We have more.
I love cheese.
It's the ranch seasoning smells really good.
It smells really good.
I'm like,
I think maybe just like some on the outer edges. That way it kind of
stays together.
Yeah, I think so. This is looking really yummy.
Yeah, I literally like saved this to my personal Instagram yesterday, and we were like trying to figure out what to do for the video.
Yeah.
And I showed Julie, and she's like, "Wait, we should do that for Facebook," and I was like, "True."
Yeah.
And now we just get to try it.
We know our audience well, and we know that you guys love some easy recipes. Look at that, the cheese is already starting to melt. So I'm gonna pop it back in the oven. How long?
7 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Back in the oven, same temp.
Yeah.
No need to change.
Okay, we'll see you in 7 to 10.
We'll be back. And she's done. She's crispy, she's cheesy, and she's gorgina.
She looks amazing. This is so...
I can't lie, we've been snacking on the little bits because we were waiting for it to cool down.
We're waiting for it to cool down so that way we can kind of crack it. But we just can't wait. And the little bits on the edge are crispy and delicious. So we had a little snack.
But we haven't had the full
taste test.
The full thing yet. So.
Yeah, so let's get into it.
Okay,
Should we
just break off a little piece.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so good. How much is a little piece?
Oh!
I lost a bean.
They're flinging.
Okay, gently and carefully. I think it was just because I got a piece from the edge.
Oh, I got a little piece.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. They're kind of hard to cheers with. I took a big bite. They're good.
Oh, that's delicious.
It's actually really yummy. The ranch seasoning isn't super present, I would say.
The ranch seasoning?
Yeah, but it adds. But it adds.
Yeah, adds a little salty, a little flavor. I think this is a great snack.
It's good. And you said you don't like an alone chickpea. Is it masking it for you? Okay. Oh, that one had a bit more ranch seasoning in it. That was good.
10 out of 10.
Oh, really yummy.
10 out of 10. This is a great after-school snack. It's really fast to make. You already probably have chickpeas, garbanzo beans, whatever you want to call them, in your pantry. You just get the cheese out of your fridge that's been sitting there and you need to use up. This is a great snack.
Honestly, you could use a different cheese too.
Yeah.
Whatever you have, I feel like it'll work just the same.
I think so too.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
I would make these again.
I would too. I'm about to eat more of this after we...
We're gonna eat the whole thing. Actually, I don't know. Our tummies might hurt after that many chickpeas.
That's a lot of beans. But that's great. Yeah, guys, try this out. I highly recommend.
Yeah, and let us know what you think if you try it. Let us know if you do a variation of it. Just let us know.
Yeah. Also, we should say it's officially November, which means it's officially the holiday season. We're getting ready and geared up for Thanksgiving. We have a lot of great Thanksgiving and Christmas and all kinds of holidays featured in our new issue of the magazine, our November, December.
The 12th anniversary edition
Yes!
of our magazine.
12 whole years of Gluten-Free and More magazine, and you can find it on newsstands near you. Tons of recipes that have to do with the holidays and not, and just amazing writers and contributors. We have had a guest editor every month for the last little bit here, so you get to check out and see who it is. Every issue, sorry.
Yeah.
Every issue. But yeah, definitely check it out on newsstands now. You can find where on our website.
Yeah.
And get your Thanksgiving ebook coming soon. I put together a cute little ebook that you can download. It's just a cookbook full of our favorite recipes here. We have main dishes, we have side dishes, desserts, and even what to do with all of your leftovers, because I don't know about you, my family always has a ton of cranberry and turkey leftover, so we are always looking for ways to use that up.
It's really cute. You should definitely check it out.
Yeah,
it's just like a pop-up on the website.
Yeah, you go to our website, it'll pop up, enter your email for a free ebook, and so it'll be coming out probably in the next week or so. So stay tuned.
Yeah. But anyway, we'll see you guys next week for another fun, I don't know what we're doing next week yet, but another fun, snacky, maybe even a drink, I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll be crazy. But we'll see you guys next week
Yeah.
for another Gluten-Free Friday.
See you next week. Bye.